Today on Displacement Garage, the Tundra is getting a new exhaust. Stay tuned. All right, like I said, we're going to be doing the exhaust on the Expedition T. So one of the few complaints I've had with the Tundra is it sounds like a car. The clutch fan is louder than anything else. The cold air intake I installed a while back helped with that a little bit. And there's naysayers out there that say it robs low-end torque and stuff like that. I'm fine with it at this stage because it's not a tow rig. So if I really start feeling like, maybe I need it, I still have the factory air box and I can stick that back on. But to really fix the sound quality and maybe fuel up a little bit more horsepower and a little bit more torque, I'm going with a catback exhaust. Done some research. A lot of people out there like Dirty D's Industries TRD replacement, and so that's what I got. And then I went to a Toyota dealer and got the TRD tailpipes. Trying to get rid of the chrome on the truck, not add chrome, so I got rid of the chrome tailpipe. I meant to film it. Had some issues with the camera and footage and stuff like that, so there won't be a video of it, but it's not too hard. You just take some sandpaper, like 40 grit, 80 grit, and then I went all the way down to 220, sanding the chrome, and then primer I use VHT, so we'll see how that holds up. And but that's it. I guess we'll get to installing it. Okay, so that was the installation video of the Dirty Deeds TRD replacement exhaust muffler and the TRD tailpipes. From looking at the video, I'm going to apologize for the camera placement. It's pretty poor, and I also forgot to do the post video discussion, which is what's going on now. I've actually had it on the truck for a few weeks now. I'm really happy with it. The installation went pretty well. My only real difficulty was one of the flanges was clocked incorrectly, but I was able to widen out the hole using a carbide bit on a air Dremel, and just using a flat washer. I'm probably going to go back later, if you guys didn't see, and trim that washer down so it doesn't get caught in anything. Maybe even weld it to the flange. We'll see. Probably don't even need the washer, but I don't know. So, but otherwise, installation was pretty easy. That muffler was kind of hard to get into position with just myself, but it went pretty well. The tailpipes went on pretty easy. What you didn't see, and I apologize for that, it was I had to change out the heat shield that was there on the passenger side, and then for one they provided, and then add another heat shield on the driver's side, and then the tailpipes basically just went right into the hangers. And I had to install a hanger on the driver's side, and that came with the tailpipe, so that was great. Installation was it was pretty easy. Would have been easier if I had a lift, but beggars can't be choosers. The sound's great. So right here I'm going to include the before. Okay, so that was pretty weak in my opinion. Hopefully this, the after clip, which is right here. Okay, so hopefully you can tell the difference. I could definitely hear a difference, and we'll go about, I'll do a video eventually about all the various modifications I've done, what I've seen, what I've felt, what I've heard, and that'll be another video later on. So that's it. So this is posting, another video should be posting next week. And I'm going to apologize up front. I'm not going to go into the details, but I messed up. Some of it was in my control, some of it wasn't out of my control, and I've already taken steps to hopefully prevent it from happening again in the future, and that's another video. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked what you saw today, and if you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and hit the little bell notification so you get notified the next time I post a video. See you next time.